One TV special report.
Thank you also to Sir Benel sa maanito na komento. Alright. And now, ladies and gentlemen, kinumansura at napakpakan our next performer, gikan sa Pulok 2A, Rosana Altueza. Yes, alright, abi na ako nga may tumpay. And thank you naman ka. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause to Ma'am Rosana Altueza. And of course, atong paminawan ang komito gikan sa chairman of the Board of Judges, our City Councilor, Honorable Dinky.
May gabi kung ako naging pangutana, asa man kagatago taute nga no karon raman mo ng gawas. Naraman kay diri sa kinumansor ang mga singer. Gipangita kay kinano sa syudad kay dugay namin nangitag mga maayong singer. O kabalo ka Fed, kabalo ka Sir Jaime, sa among English 2A sa una, kanang o si Ma'am Biscotcho, bahalag yabag ka, basta nami lang yung kayo mong pagka-pronounce ang word like, we don't say goodbye. Bahalag pinakuro, basta maayo lang yung pagka-pronounce, accepted na ka sa finals. Ang ato ang kuan karon, ang ato ang number 13, si Ma'am Rosana, perfect kay pronunciation. Nami kayo ang diction sa kinumansur naman ay makita o na makaplagan ang mga perfect kay mga diction o pronunciation. In fact, kanang Fred, Sir Han, actually Sir Han, si Fred Gikag Japan, Kang Samhamida, ay Korea, manay na, no? Kamput ka! Thailand na ito. Sir Han, Sir Fred, padalang sa radyo na makakita o kanan pa nga kaya itong kitaguan sa kadugay ng karon kung nanay nagpalit ay harang magpakita. Ano ba? Dapat na kay gigti. Mahadang gig karon tag 1.5 ang per night. Dapat mo apit kang mga inana ng mga banda kay sayang. Pila na yung edad karon te? 36. 36? Oh my God. Napaka-change. I heard the quality of voice so perfect. And then, with the diction you are having, actually during sa preliminaries, katubitaw nag-audition ka, ang imong gikanta is Colors of the Wind. Ang theme song sa Pocahontas, sung by Miss America, is it siya? Vanessa Williams? Yes, Vanessa Williams, di ba? Oh my God, katupod perfect ito ni mong pagka-render. Kung naay mga banda nga nangitag singer, ako ang i-recommend, ha? Because, perfect. I love it. Congratulations. Unta, ayaw din na nag-going talent. Ayaw lang sa Bijoki, sa Kinuman Sur kanta, ato sa Kinuman Norte, o ato ka sa Bagangkay, daghan kay Bijoki dito. And we will going to expect coming from you more, okay? 36 is not that too old. It's still young and you still have so many opportunities way ahead. Congratulations!
Thank you so much, ma'am. Alduesa, all right. And thank you also to our chairman of the board of judges, alang sayang maaligot po nga komento. And to all our performers tonight, good luck. And here we go, DJ, come on. For tonight, our winners will be receiving the third place, 3,000 pesos plus a trophy. Our second place will receive 4,000 pesos with a trophy. Our first place will receive 6,000 pesos plus trophy. And of course, our champion will receive 8,000 pesos with the trophy. Walk up here. Dagko kahilang premyo to Sir Fidel. Okay, sa Barangay San Antonio, when I was in Barangay Kagawad, dili iman ani basta, iman ani ng mga talent, dili kayo iman ani kadaka ang premyo. But dili sa Kinuman Sur, grabe, bongga ang papremyo. Big round of applause. And of course, we would like also to say thank you to our officials in the province of Misamis Occidental sa ilahang magkanimos support. I would like to say thank you to our very hard-working governor in the province of Misamis Occidental, Barangay Kinuman Sur. A big round of applause to Attorney Governor Henry S. Wamina. Thank you also to our second district representative, dagan kay salamat, at ang Congressman Ando Wamina. At ang pakpakan naman Kinuman Sur. Thank you also to our Ascenso o Pinoy Party List representative, Congressman Andy Wamina. To our city mayor, the person of Mayor Sam Norman Fuentes, a big round of applause, and the rest of our Ascenso Ozamis city councilors. Thank you so much. We would like also to say thank you. Thank you to our barangay officials of Barangay Kiko Mansur, our punong barangay, thank you, Honorable Ricky Alduiza, our barangay kagawats in attendance, the Honorable Lumano Alduiza, the Honorable Rolando Pinaso, Honorable Pascual Cabrito, Honorable Arnel Abellanita, Honorable Lito Lina, Honorable Felipe Rubio, Honorable Giovanni Canillo, and of course our IPMR, Philemon Macatula. We would like also to say thank you to our SK officials headed by our SK Chairman, at the same time our SK Federation President, Honorable John Bell Duhailong sa magpalakpakan naman dyan. Thank you also to our SK officials, the Honorable Christine Cabrito, Honorable J.R. Garcinas, the Honorable Clifford Espolinar, Honorable Anjo Abellanita, Honorable Ruel Garcinas, Honorable Juna Mama, and of course, Honorable Delbert Amog, our SK Secretary and SK Treasurer, and all the youth here at Barangay Kinuman sa big round of applause. Ay sa tanan nga mga nagsuporta, mga katauhan, mga pura presidents, mga mandilyo sa matag puro, dagan gayon, salamat. And ato pong pasalamatan, of course, ang atuang official sabiulator, Mother Felicity Lagrima sa big round of applause. Thank you also to one of the Rosebuds family, Ma'am Alanis. A big round of applause. Okay, and to all our Rosebuds o Zamis community nga nakakaroon na nag-support po sa kalihukan sa barangay Kinumansur, daghan kaayong salamat. But before we proclaim, ladies and gentlemen, our winners tonight, let me first present to you the Certificate of Appreciation and a Token of Appreciation. We would like to request, of course, the Barangay Kapitan, Honorable Ricky Aloisa, to please come over here on stage together with our SK Chairman and our SK Federation President. We have Honorable Duhay Longsa. All right. And while our tabulators and our judges have finalizing the result, let me read first to you the citation. Province of Misamis Occidental, City of Ozamis, Kinuman Sur. Ascenso Ozamis, ladies and gentlemen, Certificate of Appreciation is hereby presented to our Chairman of the Board of Judges, the Honorable Roland Dickey P. Suizo Jr., in grateful recognition of his invaluable service during the first Kinuman Sur Got a Talent contest held on November 22, 2025 at the Covered Court, Kinuman Sur, Ozamis City. Signed by our SK Chairperson, the SK Federation President, ex-official City Councilor, Honorable John T. Duhay Lumson, and of course, the Barangay Captain, the Honorable Ricky G. Duvesa. Same citation. We would like to request our Chairman of the Board of Judges. Same citation is given to Sir Jaime S. Tumada. Barangay Kinuman Sur, a big round of applause. Sus, kinuha ko dikit. Basta-basta na mahimo ka kurado kay mga purasyon na agyon din ha. Kung ilan yung i-evaluate ang maayo, ilan yung i-assess. Who do you think will be our first grand champion for the Kinuman Sur Got a Talent 2025? Same citation is given to Sir Federico P. Aradiego Jr. a big round of applause to Sir Miguel. And now may I request, of course, our set of judges together with our Kinuman Sur Barangay Capitan, Honorable Alderesa, and our our SK Chairman, Honorable. Alright. Once again, we would like to request what's the name of the group, ladies and gentlemen, the Trio Dancers! Go, Trio Dancers! And now please welcome Christy May Aso. Coming up, Leonardo Cortez Jr. And of course, we would like also to inform everyone that the non-winning performers will receive a consolation prize amounting of 1,000 pesos. Julian Ardeniza. Coming up, ladies and gentlemen, the Yigi Dancers. J.R. Villamor. Palakpakan naman dyan, Barangay Kinuman Sur. We have also Dominador Veliantes, Divine J. Flores. We have also Kate Lee Aldueza. Coming up, ladies and gentlemen, Julia Malubay. We can also Yvonne Lontayao, the 1C dancer. And of course, Rosana Altueza. There you have it first, ladies and gentlemen. We would like, of course, to congratulate all our performers tonight for having us for the Kinuman Sur, the first ever Kinuman Sur Got Talent 2025. And we would like first to interview the first group. Unsa mangyud ang atong gibati nga kanabang nag-perform ka nga ikaw yun ang pinakauna sa 13 ka mga performers. And I believe na agidra ang pinaka-pressure. Ano ba? Sige. Ikaw, madam, kalang ko sa nawupit tilpen, style na siya. Style, abin man ako. Sige. O sa mga tuang bation, anak, nga kanabitan, ikagay pinakauna nga mo present among the 13 performers or entries. O sa atong bation, anak, kolba gyapon. Sige. Thank you. Alright. Sige, dirita. Si tatay. Sir. Okay. So, sir, kibali sa imuha, tagaan takag pagpugot higayon, karong gabi una, nga about ato sa imuhang balak. Nindot kaayo ang sulod, maka-inspire yun kaayo. Malantaw nato ang kagahapon, di ba? Lamigin kaayo, isa ako sa mga supported kay mga balak nun, mga balak, sir. Dominador, no? Isang tingala na ito, sir? Dominador. Usa may naghatag ng mga inspiration, sir, na sa kadaghan yun nga talent nga naani mo, nganong katumang yun ang imuhang gipili?
Akong narate ang akong mga kagahapon o akong halad po sa ato ang barangay. Gabi na kayo sa ato Asinso Samis.
Alright, thank you so much. Ato Bakbakan Barangay, Kinuman Sur. Ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Kinuman Sur, who do you think is our first ever Kinuman Sur Got Talent? Shout your breath. Kinuman Sur, let's shout your breath. our winners. Let's have first the top, okay, top 4, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, in no particular orders. Alright! So siya, ako lang gusto kong tagay, pa-post na lang sa Facebook ang winners. I-claim na yung prize na rin siya dito sa barangay office. Alright! We are still live here at the barangay Inuman Sur, Campo de Purpose Building. And now, let's proclaim our top 4 finalists for the Inuman Sur Got Talent 2025. Pasok ka! In no particular order. Alright. In no particular order. Please come forward. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Please come forward. Number 11. Ivon Lantayaw from Purok 3L. And now, you are running up becoming, because you are part of the top 4. Number 7, Dominador Brillantes. Please come forward. Number 13, Rosana Aguilera. And to complete our top 4 finalists, number 8, Divine Jane Flores. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Barangay Inuman Sur, let's meet our top 4 finalists. And to all our performers, our non-winning, alright, pictures. Sige. And now, I will be proclaiming our 3rd place. We would like to request Kagawad Rubio, Kagawad Alvareza, and Kagawad Canillo. Backward, all right. To our non-winning performers, thank you so much. You may now, okay, take your exit, thank you. A big round of applause to them. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our 3rd place will receive 3,000 pesos plus trophy. Congratulations to Dominador Brillantes. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, our 3rd place, Dominador Brillantes. And now, our 2nd place goes to, if we request, of course, Kagawad Pinas our second place will receive 4,000 pesos and a trophy. Alright. Our second place goes to Divine Jane Flores. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, our second place, Divine Jane Flores. Thank you so much. Requesting our two remaining performers. Alright. I will be announcing this time our first place. The remaining entry or performer will be I will be announcing first our first runner-up or our first place. And the remaining performer will be our grand champion. And now, our first place is... Okay, backward ang tumakuan. Our first and the third, our third and second place. Sige. Ito sa tumangan forward. Okay, pagkuan mo at tabangay mong duha. Well, sa kuan. At this time, Barangay Kinuman Sur for our first place. To present the award, we have Kagawad Cabrito, Kagawad Abelianita, and Sir Jaime Tumada. And our first place will receive 6,000 pesos plus trophy. And our first runner-up and our champion will receive 8,000 pesos plus a trophy. And that will be presented by Kapitan Aldueza, Honorable Duay Longson and Consiel Tiki Suizo. And the champion for the Kinuman Sur Got Talent 2025 is... the grand champion goes to... Rosana Aguilera. Let's go forward, our grand champion. And then, our first runner-up. Big round of applause to our grand champion, Rosana Angelesa. So you go, ladies and gentlemen, our first ever Kinuman Sur Got Talent 2025. Getting up for our grand champion, Rosana Altuiza.
Thank you.
Ug sa ato ang akong kauban nga mga barangay kagawad nga pinanuluhan sa ato ang mapit buutan, wapo o kugihan nga kapitan, Honorable Ricky Aloisa, ug sa atong mga iski council nga pinanuluhan sa ato ang iski Federated Chairman John Pel Duhay Lungsod, ug sa ato ang mga Board of Judges sa City Tourism Office, Sir Jaime Tumada, mayong gabi sir. O sa ato ang membro sa konsiyo, si Honorable Rolando Pinky Suiso Jr., mayong gabi Cons. O sa ato ang Education Program Supervisor, Sir Federico Arandigo. O mga ginikanan, mga kabatanunan, ug kanatong tanan nga naa karon dinhi maayong gabi. Ang sa tinuod lang sa giingon sa MC kaganiha, ang best performers nakulbaan. Ako nga katapusan nakulbaan pod. Pero ako lang ipadayag ang akong debate karong panahon na kasingon sa istorya sa atong City Councilor Dinky Suiso. May bunga sa atong panagiusa, mao nga atong natakamtaman karon ang atong nasinati nga nalipay mo diha. Nalingaw mo? Ako po nalingaw. O ako ang tahas kay pag sira na naman sa atong programa, sa dili pa mag-imbitar ko ninyo o mapuhon na po tayo kalingawan ang hip-hop dance. Kani atong mga judges, murag mo balik pati halipin ug dili na lang ako tason kay para makatulotag sayo. Daghang salamat ug usbon ako mayong gabi kanatong tanan.